Hello, everyone. Ron here from RJJ's Reactions. I hope you're having a great day so far. I am back with The Weeknd, and this is The Birds Part 2. So, The Birds Part 1, the drumming was incredible in The Birds Part 1. Looking forward to The Birds Part 2. Of course, Abel's voice is incredible also. I don't think there's any doubt about that. I'm sure that if you're the Weekend fan. You already know that. But let's have a listen in just a moment. Before we do, if you don't mind pushing that subscribe button, helps the channel a lot. Thank you to everybody who has subscribed, who has donated to the channel. If you want to donate to the channel, check in the description. Also requested, sent information, all of those fun bits of information help. I read them all. I answer as many as I can. If you want to bump up your requests, check in the description. There is a way to do that. Thank you to those who have done that. We've had quite a few recently, so that's really super. In the meantime, let's jump into the music. The Weeknd, The Birds, Part 2, not a Hitchcock movie. Here we go. She got me. You recognize that voice right away once you've heard The Weeknd once or twice. You're gonna know who this is immediately. She's not happy with him. Yeah, lots of fun production going on here. Not necessarily right up my alley per se. I prefer to hear the real voice, but yeah, we know that he can sing exceptionally well. Has a super falsetto as well. Um, yeah, and I'm catching some of the lyrics. I had a quick look at the lyrics before, but they're not the type of lyrics that I am going to go over separately. So I'm going to leave that for you. I let you do that. But yeah, I do like his voice, and I like a lot of the instrumentation going on behind. Some of this production that's coming in now is, yeah, it's okay, but it's not so much for me. I love his voice. Countdown. The birds. Okay, I think that's possibly it. Yeah. Um, I'm not sure why I'm backing up because we can just see her with the gun, but yeah, very well done. Very well produced as well. I'm not picking on the production. I just, maybe not for me as much as some of the other Weekend songs. I can see, however, certainly if I were in the right mood, how I could become absorbed in this sound, almost like an echo throughout the song. And then there was that drum. It's not quite as heavy, I think, here as it was in part one, but there's the drum beat, and there's some other musicality that I enjoyed. There's some that I wasn't as impressed with, but that's just me, because I like to hear his voice so much. And so when I could clearly hear his voice, it was exceptional, as it always is with the Weekend. So I liked the song. It's not my number one from the Weekend though. This part two. In fact, I think I like part one a little better than this one too. So I'm not sure. I'd have to listen to them both again, and maybe both of them together. One right after the other. Just listen to the whole thing, or even the whole. Is it an album or EP? But that can make a difference as well sometimes, because sometimes you need the whole thread to get the effect. But I can see that there is a very positive possible effect here. I just think that when you're first listening to it the very first time and trying to react to it, I don't know, I found it difficult to really get into fully. but there were parts that I really liked, and mostly that was his voice and the drum and a bit of the other instrumentation as well. But I can tell that it's been really professionally done, so that's excellent. And probably this will be, the Birds Part 1 and 2 is probably some people's favorites of the weekend. I can see that too, because everybody has different likes. And it is really, really well done. It's just not maybe the top one for me on the weekend. I know you're going to be mad at me now because I said something that wasn't 100% positive, but I have to be honest. Yeah, I do like the weekend though, and I like Abel's voice very, very much. So I'm sure I think I have some more on my list. In fact, I think there's one on my short list coming up. Let me just have. Can I have a quick look? I'm being rude now looking over here. Tears in the Rain is on my short list, and I have a book. I have on my computer downstairs. I have a list, but then it goes to the book. You can't really see that properly, but it goes to the book. That means we're getting closer, and then it gets recorded. At any rate, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, just go watch The Weekend on his own without my ugly face and comments. It might be preferable, I guess. Hit the notification bell. That helps when videos are blocked. Sometimes they are, and it messes up the algorithm, so you don't get them in your feed necessarily, unless you're coming back to the channel fairly frequently, and then there's really no need to do that. And I know we all get tons of notifications, so you might not want to, but I'm just suggesting it just in case. I have had people say, how did I miss this one from my favorite artist? Well, probably because it got blocked, and without that you won't get notified. Otherwise, just keep listening, keep having fun. It's Ron from RJJ's Reactions. Have a super day. Bye bye for now.